Hey guys, it's Steve with TNT. I just want to show you this sweet new 2025 F250 Lariat. We did our mid-grade ceramic film, which is called I3, and it's a multi-layer ceramic. It's going to offer 93% infrared heat rejection, 99% UV rejection, and then glare reduction would depend on what darkness you go with. But on this particular truck, our customer wanted it a little bit darker. We did 15% on the front two windows, and then we did 35% over top of the rear factory tint. So it darkens it up, not too dark, but enough to make it blend really nice. You can tell those windows match very close, the back being slightly darker. But you can see out perfectly fine, which is awesome, but people looking in, not so much. And then on the windshield, we did our i3 70%, which looks amazing. It's not very dark, but it blocks out 91% of the infrared heat, 99% UV, and it's pretty much clear. And then on the Panoroof, we did our i3 33%. So wanted it just a tad darker. You wanted to open it up and not feel all the heat, and darken it just a little bit to block some of the light. But overall, this thing looks awesome. Just wanted to show you that. If you had a F250 of any year, it would look very similar to it. This is actually the same setup that I run on my truck on the sides and back. I have 15 and 33 over top of the back. So just want to show you that. If you got any questions, let us know. Be happy to help you. Thank you.